Welcome to City Grillin'. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, I'm gonna do a garlic Parmesan baked potato out on the grill, right? So I have some Yukon Gold potatoes and I've already sliced some up, but I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm just gonna slice the potato in half lengthwise, and then I'm gonna score the potato. Pretty easy to do. I'm gonna go about halfway in. This is a sharp knife, so I wanna be careful. I don't wanna slice all the way through. About halfway works pretty good, and about 1/4 inch or so of slices in here. I'm gonna turn it slightly, come the other direction, and go ahead and score it up this way. All right, real simple step, easy to do. I'll go ahead and finish this, then we'll make our Parmesan garlic marinade. All right, I have my potatoes scored, ready to go. I have about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in here, and then I've gone and kind of minced and crushed up a whole bunch, well, maybe 4 cloves of garlic. I like garlic, so I'm gonna do a little more garlic than usual, right? I've grated it as well, so that's why it looks the way it does. I also have like a nice healthy pinch of red peppers, flakes, and some salt. So I'm just gonna put that in there and start to blend this up together. You don't have to put the red pepper flakes in. I'm just trying to make it kind of kick up a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my Parmesan cheese that's finely grated already. About half of the pack goes into here, and the other part of the pack is gonna go on this plate here where I'm gonna put the potatoes on. Right? So I wanna mix up this marinade with that cheese, get it well blended here, and then get ready to put the potatoes in. Okay, so I have my Parmesan cheese, garlic blended in here, and I'm gonna place some of this onto my potato. I'm just gonna kind of roll it in there a little bit, get it mixed up pretty well. I'm gonna actually even bring some out, put it on the potato, just like so. A little extra cheese on top, like that. I'm gonna go face down on my tray here, just like that. Maybe grab a little more of that extra seasoning on top here, so I can bake it just like that out on the grill. Okay, I have the potatoes ready. Again, face down. I put extra cheese on it. I want it kind of cheesy and making a mess, and it's gonna taste delicious. You know, I just grabbed a little bit of that cheese when I was cleaning up, and it's so good with that garlic, a little hot pepper in there too. So let's get it on the grill. Okay, I'm out at the grill. I've got my potatoes. I'm gonna open it up. It's at 375 right now. I'm gonna place it kind of in between these 2 hot burners that are on right now, and let that cook for 30 to 40 minutes until they're nice, tender, and soft. Hopefully they'll brown up too on the bottom side of this pan as it heats up. So we'll check it in a little bit. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. I'm gonna check on my potatoes. All those look beautiful. I'm just gonna poke in there. Oh, they're soft. They are ready to come off the grill. However, I need to cook my meat and some other items, so I'm just gonna leave those right here for now. I've lowered the temperature just a little bit here so I can cook the rest of my meal, and then we'll take them inside and give them a try. Okay, let's give this potato, this garlic Parmesan crusted potato, a try. I'm just gonna break it apart. That's gonna probably be really hot. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it in my mouth here. Oh, get that crunchiness. Yeah, wow, delicious. Highly recommend it, give it a try. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.